Hey everyone! In today's video, we're comparing Acorns versus Robinhood, two of the most popular investing apps in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your portfolio, I'll break down the pros and cons so you can decide which one's actually better for you. Let's get started. First up, what do they do? Acorns is built for beginners. It automatically invests your spare change and builds long-term portfolios for you. Think, set it and forget it. Robinhood, on the other hand, is for hands-on traders. It lets you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, crypto, and options in real time with no commission fees. Acorns charges a flat monthly fee starting at $3 per month for personal accounts and $5 per month for family plans. Robinhood has no monthly fee for basic investing, but if you want access to Robinhood Gold, premium tools and research, it's $5 a month. With Acorns, you get features like automatic roundups, recurring investments, retirement accounts IRAs, and even a checking account. Robinhood gives you real-time trading, advanced charts, margin trading, and now even retirement accounts like IRAs with a 1% match. Choose Acorns if you're new to investing and want a hands-off approach. It's perfect for saving over time without needing to know the stock market. Go with Robinhood if you're comfortable making your own trades and want more control, especially if you're interested in things like crypto or options. So, Acorns versus Robinhood. It really comes down to your goals and experience. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more honest app breakdowns. See you next time!